Welcome to the Lexmark Cloud Solution Center, a powerful feature within Lexmark Cloud Services that redefines how organizations manage their workflows. Solution Center enables users to streamline their document processes by providing tools to create, customize, and execute tailored workflows. Solution Center is designed to meet the needs of individuals and teams across an organization. From document capture and processing to routing files securely, Solution Center brings everything together in one intuitive platform. Solution Center is built around flexible user roles. Administrators can create and share workflows organization-wide. Advanced users can design personal workflows, while all users can run the solutions that they are entitled to access. With Solution Center, running a workflow takes only a few clicks, on your printer or directly from the cloud interface. Solution Center also supports advanced capabilities, such as extracting text with optical character recognition, OCR, translating documents into multiple languages, or redacting sensitive information. These features ensure that your workflows are not only efficient but also secure. Solution Center integrates with popular cloud storage services to save and manage your documents securely. Lexmark Cloud Solution Center, your one-stop solution for smarter, faster, and more efficient workflows. To learn more, search for the Lexmark Cloud Services product page on the support site.